Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is what I wish I knew when I first started affiliate marketing. Let's get right into it. So what did I wish that I knew when I first started affiliate marketing? The first thing is nothing is as simple as it seems. Maybe you've been online and you've seen people make 5, 6, 7 figures, 8 figures, 10 figures, whatever it may be, online, and it seemed real easy. But the truth is, the process is hard, it's simple, but it's not easy. And I always use this marathon analogy where a marathon is very, very simple to do. You just put one step in front of the other one. But it's really hard to do because you have to train, you have to eat well, you have to sleep well, and all these things that come into it. Affiliate marketing and business and online business, all these things are just that. They're very simple but very hard at the same time. So that's the first thing. It's going to be harder than you think. So if you want to jump into it, make sure that you know this. I wish I knew this. It's way harder than what I initially thought. Second thing is to embrace delayed gratification. You see, a lot of people, and myself included, when I first started, people think that it's going to be very quick. You're going to make money in the first week and you're going to have a ton of subscribers on YouTube. You're going to have a ton of people come to your blog and money's just going to pour into your bank account. I mean, that's exaggerated, but you get the idea. You think that it's going to be very, very quick. The truth is, it's not that way. It's not that way at all. Not a single bit. You see, I make a lot of videos about affiliate marketing mostly and just building online businesses. And a lot of strategies that I tell you are very, very simple. But it really takes some time to actually build it. Even if you know how to do it, it does take a lot of time. And a lot of time means a lot of work, and it means staying consistent, and it means a lot of different things that you might not think that. At the beginning it seems real easy, just put a link and it's just going to work. But it does take a lot of time, so make sure that you know this. Building an online business is not as quick as you would expect. And the reason why this is very important is, first of all, you have to know that, but if you think that it's going to be very quick and you're not making money online very quick, which is what's going to actually happen, it's going to be very, very frustrating for you not to see results, because you're going to watch all these people making a lot of money and you're not making that money. But if you know that, it's going to be much easier, because you know that it's going to be worth it in the end. And it won't be such a big deal. But if you think that you're going to make money quick, you're going to quit very fast and just say it doesn't work. Because this actually works. You have to keep that in mind. But it does take a lot of time. The next thing is you want to invest in yourself. You want to focus on yourself even more than your actual business. You want to research what people that have made it do. You can take some courses. You have to spend some time learning, spend some money learning, and this will cut your learning curve way more than if you just put out some content and hope for the best. Number 4 is I wish I was taking 10 times the action that I was taking in the beginning. When I first started, the first few videos were okay. I was quite consistent, but just slowly slowed down, and I just started making one video every week. I would just miss out so much time. I would even miss out weeks without even a real reason, just that, I thought that it was going to be okay. But the truth is, it's not. Just like I said, it's hard work. Hard work plays a lot into that. And if you take 10 times the action, the results will come 10 times faster and 10 times bigger as well. So, and now I do videos every single day because this is what's going to bring me the best results faster than what I would have thought. And you should do the same. If you're thinking of making one video a week, bring it to two. If you're making two, bring it to four. Just double down on everything until you have like a video every single day. But make sure that your content is still great. If you're just starting out, your content won't be that good. You'll have trouble talking in front of the camera. Just put that out there. But once you start putting out content, just try and focus on making the best content and as much as possible. The fifth step, the fifth thing that I wish I knew, is not focusing on one single platform. When I started, I was all over the place. I was on Instagram, I had a Facebook group, which I still do, and I still post on there from time to time, but that's not my real focus. On Instagram, I haven't posted in a long time. I can't quite remember when I did it, but I'm not really posting on there because my main focus is YouTube. Now, if you're really focused and you can make it work and you can just stay really consistent with YouTube and do everything that you can on there, then you can start to reach out to other things. Just like Gary Vee does. That Gary Vee talks about how he does every single platform, but the truth is most people can't quite do that, and I'm one of these people. And I really want to focus on one thing before reaching out to other things, because that just splits me too thin and then I have trouble keeping up. So make sure that you focus on one single platform, and once that's working, then maybe you can reach out, but don't focus on a million different things because that's just not how it works. And a lot of people are making 7 figures on one single platform, whether it's Facebook, a blog, a YouTube channel, and it just works out really great. So don't worry too much about the rest. Focus on one platform, choose the one that you like. I highly suggest YouTube, just like I do in most of my videos, but you get to choose. And I wish you the best on that platform. With that being said, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel, because as I said, I'm posting videos every single day, so you do not want to miss them out. Hit that notification bell as well, because YouTube doesn't really post the videos in front of the right people, even if you do subscribe. So make sure that you do that. Also, leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Let me know if I missed any points on that. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.